Hello, my name is Jocelyn Moorhouse and I'm a screenwriter, author, director, storyteller and mum to 4 extraordinary kids. Today I'm at Castle Hill Library and we'll be sharing a story about celebrating birthdays. Presents, games, cakes. Everyone loves a party, right? Well, actually no, not everyone. Cats Do Not Like Birthdays by Nicki Greenberg. Happy birthday, Captain. Happy birthday, Kit. Excited for your party? Yes, yes, yes. No, not one bit. Cats do not like birthdays. Cats can't stand a crowd. Dress-ups are embarrassing. And children are so loud.